at this. It is your complete gym in a bag. Check out Diana working out. I told you we were gonna see Chad in a tank top, didn't I? Here he is, I promise. This is a complete gym in a bag with resistance bands. Here's what's great about resistance bands. Resistance bands are used by people who are just starting, people who have never done a workout before, and also high-level athletes use resistance bands because of how versatile they are, because you can take them with you and travel in the privacy of your own home, on your own time, every muscle group, every body part, and you are getting resistance bands at different weights, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. You are getting the bag to carry them with you. You are getting the easy grip handles, $24.99 for you to get this home. All right, let's talk about, Chad, you look great, my friend. You know you do. You look, doesn't he look great?
Stop.
You look great.
I can't talk and work out at the same time.
How easy. No, it's true. And here's the thing with resistance bands. They are a full-on, full-body workout without having to carry dumbbells around, right?
You got it, right.
Okay.
And so resistance training has been proven for, 100 years. Since working out was invented, this has been how we work out. You can stand on it, you can just hold it and do what they call band pull-aparts. The magic behind resistance is that it's working both ways, right? So it's going out and back in. I'm getting the resistance on both ways that you can do it, as opposed to a traditional sort of free weight or a dumbbell, because when you do a bicep curl, it just wants to drop to the ground. I'm not getting resistance really on the way down because gravity's helping too much. Same thing on the way back out. This just wants to sort of drop to the ground. But even with the door anchor, now I know this is very fast, I'm gonna show you the door.
No, but you're getting the door anchor included, which is great, because normally you have to figure out how to tie these around something.
Right, and so instead of having the dumbbell like this, if I wanna work on my shoulder, my rotary cuff, things like this, that wants to fall, because gravity. I can put that down, watch this. Now I can get that same exercise. The resistance coming from the door. You can feel me, you can hear me already winded.
Yes.
Because these grow and work with you. And by the way, throw them in your luggage, take them with you, a total gym in your suitcase.
Yeah, look, it's okay to be out of breath because that's what you get out of resistance band. And it is that smooth movement too. That's what you want when working out. Smooth, look, he's working his back, working his deltoids, his triceps, all of that. Maybe it's just to get your blood flowing in the morning, in the afternoon, while you're watching HSN Today, while you're watching your favorite Netflix show, and you're gonna do 30 minutes of resistance band on the door, maybe just standing by yourself. You're gonna stand on these resistance bands, look at Diana doing her shoulders over her head, getting the blood flowing, or maybe it's muscle tone, maybe it's recovery. These are also great for recovery. If you've had an injury, if you're getting back on your feet, if you don't move the same way you used to move, start with resistance bands. You can fit all of these in your travel bag, take it with you, never miss a day. And also, Chad, resistance bands are great from like my kids who are 13 years old all the way up to me and to my parents can use these. Everyone can use resistance band. I'm not comfortable handing my kids a dumbbell or handing my mom a dumbbell, right?
But if you drop it on your foot, I mean, that's one thing,
It can be very dangerous. So I want to show you everything you're getting real quickly here before we go back to Chad. You are getting everyone, the 10 pound, 15, 20, 25, 30. You're getting your handles, your extenders. You're getting that door anchor here. And then look at your back. It all fits right there. Throw that in your suitcase. Take it with you.
Here's a 15-pound weight. And then the red is going to be your 15-pound resistance bands, right? So I'd have to have one of these times 2 because both hands.
That's right.
For each one of those, this was $50, by the way.
And then, Chad, let me ask you, so we get excited about this. We pick this up, we get this home, we want to start, and a lot of times we go, uh-oh, I don't know where to start now.
Right. In the program guide, now let Ty sort of do a
let me show you.
Host sort of non-shaky chat arm.
There you go.
11 different exercises. There are pictures and very like cookbook type instructions. You can't mess this up. If you just grab it and pull on it, that is really all you need to do. If you want to advance and to get into the different exercises and learn about the different muscle groups, you can do that also with the included instructions that come with this.
All these ideas, very smooth. You know what I used to do? There was a time when I was a personal trainer for a while, and all I did was carry my resistance bands around, and I would meet people at a park.
Yeah.
We'd go outdoors on a nice day, and I would wrap it around a tree, or I would wrap it around whatever the pole was there for the swing set. And we would get our workout in out at a park.
Yeah.
It was great. You can take these with you.
And so it's less about like new year, new you. It's more about it's the same you, but how do we find things that work with us at home?
Yes.
How do we find a full fitness gym without having to take up more space? Folks, here it is. Here is the Bell & Howell resistance bands. It's a 10-piece set, every weight you could ever need. If you outgrow this, you can connect 2 of the bands together, and you can get even double the resistance if you connect them. So no matter what strength you are, it grows with you. And just for clarity, Bell & Howell, we got into the fitness equipment because I started my fitness journey.
Yeah,
I hired a
love
personal
your story.
trainer.
Yes.
I hired a personal trainer a year ago. February 11th, it's been 1 year since I've been working out. And I hope a lot of you will join me on my social media. And so I've been working out for 1 year. And so Bell & Howell said, if you're gonna go on this journey, so are we. And the buyers here at HSN got behind it as well. The response has been tremendous. I mean, really, so thank you. And we have 3 reviews so far. They're coming in great. I hope you get this home. You can hear
I love to
how
hear.
winded I am.
It is.
Just from doing this, I'm standing tall. But if you're in a wheelchair, you're seated, you can do that as well. Because even if I was seated, I can still do band pull-aparts and work on my arm muscles, even if I don't want to use my legs.
And I love, if you saw what Chad was just doing, he had them crossed up, right? To give a little more resistance. It will grow with you. And the fact that you have the carabiner, so you can clip, you can clip multiples if you want, you can add to it and go up. So you're getting everything you need, $24.99, not paying a gym membership, not driving to the gym, not hoping that you have the right machines to work on there, or feeling shy about being at the gym. This is in your own home, on your own time, whenever, wherever that you want to work out. And here, I'm going to stand up and I'm going to show you. You just step in these and you pick the right resistance, and there you go.
Tina wants to come in.
I mean, look at that. Can we look?
They are not big, but I'm building. We're all building together. We can
Sun's out, guns out.
I'm telling you. Well, speaking of, it's going to be beach season before you know it. Or maybe it's just to get the blood flowing a little bit.
Right.
While you're standing, watching HSN Today, watching Chad, you're going to be getting your workout. It's so inspiring.
It's fun.
When it's fun, it's inspiring, when it's attainable. When you're like, I can do that.
And you don't have to go to the gym where all those sweaty people are. You don't feel comfortable. We don't know how to use the equipment. You can use this, and there's pictures in your booklet that you're getting.
This is what you're getting today. Congratulations. Congratulations for making that first step today. $24.99. Chad, thanks for showing off for us. Thanks for showing off for us. You look great, my friend. You look great. Here's your item number 824959. You're going to use that at hsn.com. Oh, while you're over there, I do want to mention one other thing. While you're at hsn.com, we have 5 flexible payments